Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add photos, pictures to Google Drive. This is a great way to back up your precious memories. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser and then go to the address bar and type in drive.google.com. If you're not signed in, enter your Google account credentials. Okay, now navigate to the upper left corner. You will see the plus new button. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear. Select File Upload. A file dialog will pop up, allowing you to choose the photos from your device. Navigate to the folder where your photos are stored. You can select multiple photos by holding down the Control key or Command key on Mac, while clicking on the photos you want to upload. Once selected, click Open. After the upload completes, you can create folders for better organization. Right-click in your drive, select New Folder, name it accordingly, and move your uploaded photos into it. And that's it. You've added photos to Google Drive, making them accessible from any device, anywhere, at any time. Remember, you can share these photos with others easily. If you found this video tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. See you in the next video.